Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and this is my video of how to have like interactive play to celebrate Rosh Hashanah on a Zoom call. That was a long title. By the time you watch this, it will have a shorter title. But I put out videos all year round on how to celebrate Jewish holidays. So if you're looking for Rosh Hashanah recipes or what Rosh Hashanah is all about, check out my links below. This year, a lot of us are doing it like this, and it is really nice to see everyone's faces. I love that Zoom allows us to get together with family that we wouldn't normally be able to get together with without a whole lot of travel. But it also means that, I don't know, sometimes chatting isn't enough, or if you're having fun with kids, you need just something to do. So this is what you can do on a Zoom call that'll be fun. And now I'm going to show you how to play Tic Tac Toe together and how to color together. I have two downloadable PDFs on everydayjewishmom.com that you can use for these. I have them linked in the bio below, and I'll show you how to do it. So in order to share a file with everyone on your Zoom call, you're going to first need to open the file, and then you're going to go to Screen Share and pick the file. I'm going to pick this amazing coloring sheet that was created for us by Jewish Together, and I'm going to expand it to fill the screen. There we go. And now I'm going to go to my toolbar. Mine happens to be at the top here. You may find yours somewhere else on your screen. You can move it around if you want to. And I'm going to go to this Annotate button. Not every version of Zoom has an Annotate button, especially if your kids are using a computer from school. Often they've limited the Zoom abilities and they will not have an Annotate button. Also, in this More feature here, there is a way to disable people's ability to annotate. So if for some reason it's not working, maybe check that out. I'm going to press my Annotate. Now on Annotate here, I'm going to move this around again just so we can see it a little easier. You have colors that you can color. This will show the width of your paintbrush. And then my favorite way to color is with this one here. This is the highlighter. The highlighter allows you to, I don't know that I want blue necessarily. Let's make this pomegranate red. To do more than one layer of color. So there's one layer, and then I can go over it for a deeper color, just like that. And then if you're curious what the rest of these do, this is more like a pencil, so it's going to give you a sharper line. And there are some shapes here as well. This shape is more like a highlight. And the stamps are these. You can't change the color of the stamp, they just are what they are. Your people who you are on the call with can color as well, and actually you won't see what they're coloring until they have kind of lifted, oops, that's not what I wanted. Oh, undo button. You won't see what they've colored until they've like lifted their finger off the cursor. So right now I'm coloring this, and the people who I'm on with, Rabbi Shofar here and the Apple family, can't see what I'm doing until I lift off, and then all of a sudden they'll see that that turned pink. And if you want to save this, you will have to do a screenshot of it. There's no way to save from Zoom, as far as I know. If you know of a way, put in the comments, please. So actually, I'm going to have to shrink down all of my family here, move this out of the way a bit, close this out, and then I will do a screenshot. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to our Tic Tac Toe board. For that, I'm going to first, back to Annotate. I'm going to clear all of this, because otherwise it'll show up on my Tic Tac Toe board as well. I'm going to New Share, pick my Tic Tac Toe board. Oh, golly, I'm in the pencil. Go back to the mouse. All right, here we go. And here we are. To play Tic Tac Toe, you guys know how to play Tic Tac Toe. You try and get 3 in the row, right? And you can use the stamps to pick your items, or I like to do that highlight circle or square, and then just switch colors between people. There we go. If you have other ideas of how to have a fun, interactive Rosh Hashanah, please put them in the comments below. We are all in this together. We all need ideas. Follow me on all the social media. I am Everyday Jewish Mom everywhere. I have an email list you can sign up for, and here's some other videos that might interest you.